Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll do the part 2. We have already done some questions from the exercise 1. So we'll start with question number 8. Find the sum of the following without adding. So it's given here 1 plus 3 plus 5. We don't have to add it directly, but there is a rule that we can say that sum of first n odd numbers, that is n square. So here how many numbers do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can consider this n as 4. So n square means square of this one. This will be n square. That will be, because this is 4, n is 4. So this is going to be 4 square, that is 16. So 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, that is going to be 16. When you add, you get 16. Now here, how many numbers do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can consider this n as 6. So n square will be 36. Because n is 6, so 6 square will be 36. So the answer will be 36. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So n will be 9. So square of that is going to be 81. So the answer is 81. Using prime factorization, find out which of the following is not a perfect square. So this number is given. So prime factorization means you have to start with the lowest number. So you can see the unit digit here. So here, whenever you see 5, means it is either divisible by 3 or 5. But this is not divisible by 3. So we'll start with 5. So 5 times 275 is going to be 1375. Again, this goes with 5. Then this goes with 5. And then this is only going to be by 11 ones are 11. So now these are all the factors. So now what we can see, 5 into 5 into 5 into 11. So we can see 5 is 3 times. So we can write here 5 cube into 11 means that is going to be raised to 1. So these are the exponents. So we can see the exponents are 3 and 1. So both of them are odd. So we can say that 1375 is not a perfect square. Whenever there is odd, wherever the exponents are even, there it is going to be a perfect square. So now let us see for the 625. Again, this is 5 here, unit place. So, but this is not possible with 3. You can divide and see. 625, it's not possible by 3. We get the remainder. 3 2s are 6, and this is 25. 3 8s are 24. So this is not possible with 3. So we'll start with 5. 125s are, 5 25s are, 5 5s are, and 5 1s are. So we can see here, this is 4 times 5 is 4 times, and this is an even number. Exponent 4 is even. So we can say this is a 625 is a perfect square. Now we will see for this number. So we'll start with 2. So these are all the, you can see here, these are all the factors of it. So how many times do we have 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that is going to be 2 raised to 10. So this exponent, this one is an even number. So that is a perfect square. We can say 1024 is a perfect square. Again here 7 to 9. This is 9. So now this is divisible by 3. 3 27s are, 3 9s are, and 3 3s are, and 3 1s are. So how many times 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is going to be 3 raised to 6. So this is a even number. So we can say 729 is a perfect square. Using 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1, find the Pythagorean triplets for the following values of m. So these are the values given of m is given as 6. So now 2m will be in place, wherever you see m there, you're going to put here 2 will be as it is. This is going to be 6, that is going to be 2 6 are 12. Then m square minus 1. So here in place of this m, you're going to put 6 square and this minus 1 as it is. So that is going to be 36 minus 1. So that is going to be 35. M square plus 1. So m square means 6 square plus 1. That is going to be 36 plus 1. That is going to be 37. So Pythagorean triplet means how are you going to write? 12, 35 and 37. So this is the answer. Now when the m is given as 7, 2m is going to be 2 into this 7. That is going to be 14. Here will be 7 square minus 1. That is going to be 49 minus 1. That is 48. Here m square plus 1 means 7 square plus 1, that is going to be 7. 49 plus 1, that is going to be 50. So that will be 14, 48 and 50. This is the Pythagorean triplet. Now when m is 8, 2m is going to be 2 into 8, that is going to be 16. M square minus 1, that is going to be 8 square, minus 1, that is going to be 64 minus 1, that is going to be 63. Here will be 8 square plus 1, that is going to be 64 plus 1, that is going to be 65. So it's going to be 16, 63 and 65. Now when m is given as 9, so this will be 2 into 9, that is going to be 18. 9 square minus 1, that is going to be 81 minus 1, that is 80. M square plus 1, that is going to be 9 square plus 1, that is going to be 81 plus 1, that is going to be 82. So that is going to be 18, 80 and 82. Evaluate the following using properties of perfect squares. So this is given 29 square minus 28 square. So 29 square minus 28 square, this can be written as 29 minus 28 and 29 plus 28. So can you see here? This is in the form of a square minus b square. So we have the property that is a square minus b square, that is going to be a minus b and a plus b. So these both are a's and these both are b's. So this is minus and this is plus. Hope this is clear. So now 29 minus 28, that is going to be 1, and this when you add, that is going to be 57. So the one in this means this is multiplication. So that answer is going to be 57. Again here the same. I'm not going to write the property again and again. You can see this property, that is a square minus b square is a minus b and a plus b. We are going to follow the same. So this will be 68 minus 67 and this will be 68 plus 67. So this is going to be by the same property. This is going to be 1 and this is going to be 135. So when you multiply this one, you get 135. Again here 121 square minus 120 square. Again this we can write this one as 121 minus 120 and 121 plus 120. So this is going to be 1 and this is going to be 241. So when you multiply, you get 241. Here again the same, 278 minus 277 and 278 plus 277. So this is going to be 1 and this is going to be 555. So the answer will be 555. Find the product of following in a simple way. So now you can see this, we are not going to multiply it directly. So 13 into 15. So there is a number in between, this is a 14 number. So what we can do for 13, we can write 14 minus 1 and here we can write 14 plus 1. So same thing, we can do that because we have the property a square minus b square is a minus b and a plus b. So this number should repeat. This number should repeat with this one because that should be, this will be a minus b and this is going to be a plus b. So we can write it this way. So that is going to be 14 square minus 1 square. Means 1 square means that is going to be 1. So 14 square will be 196 and this is going to be 1. So answer will be 195. Again for this one 29 and 31. So in between there is 30. So we can write for this 29 30 minus 1 and this we can write as 30 plus 1. So this is again going to be the same. So this will be 30 square minus this 1. 1 square means 1. So this will be 900 minus 1. So that will be 899. Again for this one, that is going to be 50 minus 1 and 50 plus 1. So this will be 50 square minus 1. Square means 1. So this is going to be 2500 minus 1. So that will be 2499. Again from here, 25 minus 1, 25 plus 1. So that will be 25 square minus this 1. So that will be 625 minus 1. That will be 624. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.